From way down, YouTube has been in existence. So if you think of the business aspect of it and you are getting scared that uh I don't want to invest my resources on this, I don't want to invest my money on it, it can just crash like CBEX. No. YouTube has been in existence for a very long time. And more reason why YouTube will still continue to find a way to be relevant is YouTube, the owner of Google is the same person that owns YouTube. So you cannot tell me that Google can just go away like that. Like, it's not our generation. Sure you get. So it will take a while before this whole thing happen. Now, how did the YouTube monetization, how does it came in existence? YouTube is just before YouTube is all about uploading how to it all started from how to unlock my laptop, how to set up my lighting, how to press my pen, how to find how to so it's all about how to. Now later YouTube introduced something called um creator program. Now they realize that most creators are using other social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. TikTok is still new, it's still a baby. Still Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So they're now finding a way to actually bring people to their platform. Everybody, TikTok, Facebook, every platforms are all selfish. They want 80% of the audience to stay on their platform. They know if you stay on their platform, they will be able to tell you something. They will be able to show you something. They will be able to sell to you. They will be able to get money from you, get time from you. And the more you spend time on their platform, the more it's become beneficial, or they have what's it called back end to show investors that 80% of people are spending 100% of their times on our channel. So bring $1 billion and invest on our channel. Their GPR, like their what's it called? Company profile will just increase and stuff like that. So they now come up with an idea that creators that are uploading on what's it called Facebook, on YouTube, they will be paying them incentive. Now, how where are they getting the money from? They are not paying us their personal money. Now, people on Google, most times businesses they want to run adverts that will pop up on your phone, pop up on your what's it called, on your apps, they'll pop on your website, they'll pop up almost everywhere. But you Google have higher platforms. Before you can what's it called upload any website, before you can launch any website, you still have to link it to Google and stuff like that. Everything has to share link to Google. So they have high percentage. So when Google gets adverts, they pay YouTube that okay, fine, no, YouTube, oh, we know you have other audience that are watching your channel on how to make money on YouTube. Can you put this advert on the channel? They pay them $10. Then Facebook will just YouTube will now feel like okay, for us to get more people to be on our platform, what if we tell them if you bring one, you get one free. If you bring people to watch our video, we'll give you. If you bring 1,000 people, they are doing referral scheme. If you bring 1,000 people to watch our video, we'll give you $1. It's not as if until someone actually buys something on your adverts, that's when they pay you. No, they'll tell you that the principle is you bring 10 people to watch video on our platform, then we'll give you $1. So, but now, uh 2 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, I'm not sure, they introduced something called shorts. They realized that people are actually paying attention on shorter videos. Shorter videos like short, just scrolling and you're just watching. You spend almost 80% of your free time just scrolling through, and they'll be suggesting something similar to what you want, and like that, you spend more time. So they introduced shorts. Now, this is one thing they actually didn't tell people about it. They did not make it like public that you can make fortune from shorts. They just told creators that okay, oh, we've done something. They sent a memo like if on my email, I got the mail that as creators, oh, we find a way to another means of earning. It's called short form. Short, what's it called? And most people don't see it as big deal. Most people are still uploading longer videos. They will edit one video almost a day. You are editing video, you are cutting, you are joining, you are doing this, you are doing that on long video. Which, if your video is not about something expensive, good RPM, which I'm still going to talk about what RPM is all about, all these things are all about. If your videos are not that expensive, they are not going to give you, like now, if you are doing something about uh Otedola or Dangote, or you are doing something about how can you buy cement from Dangote store. I'm doing this because most of us are familiar with Nigerian market. That's why I'm using Dangote. So let's say you want to get something from you are doing content on how can you buy directly from Dangote factory. YouTube knows that people that watch your video are potential buyer of Dangote cement. Now, let's say Dangote now brought advert to Google that Google, we want distributors in our company. Help us to do adverts. Google will analyze all the channels on YouTube. They know this guy, uh, Otedola, Dangote is like he's going to pay a lot of money to get what's it called? To get suppliers on their what's it called? Or in their company, compared to me that I just want to do advert on how to do faceless channel. I cannot pay more than 1,000 pounds to do adverts. But someone like Otedola can pay $2 million, $3 million to run adverts. So the more expensive the advert is, they will now select people that are related to the advert. This is where RPM comes in. Now, if you are doing something that is related to what this guy wants, they will put the advert on your video. Or you are doing something that is related to buying and selling, they will put the advert on your video. Now, if someone now watch the advert and click on your video, they can be paying you like something like $1,000 for 1,000 views, compared to someone that is doing how to do faceless channel. Maybe me, I paid 1,000 naira. They might be paying the other person that is doing content on how to make money on YouTube. They might be paying the person $1. And for $10 content, they might be paying the person another person $1,000. That's the difference between valuable content and just posting content. Now, after they introduce shorts, shorts for now is like a neutral ground RPM. After they introduce shorts, they introduce another thing called YouTube music sharing shorts, short sharing revenue. Now, in the sense that 80% of people on and 50% of people on what's it called on YouTube also are musicians. And musicians, most times they are not using clean money. When they get money from here, get money from there, looking for ways to clean their money, they will go on YouTube and start singing, ah yeah, yeah, oh, and upload it on YouTube. And YouTube we want to promote their song. So in order for YouTube to promote the song, which normal people will not watch on norms, they will not watch it. So they introduce something called share revenue, in the sense that if you use this person audio in your short video, they are going to share the revenue with you. But YouTube will push out the video. That's another thing that they did currently. I'm just trying to show you the various things that they've done that we are not trying to make money from it. Now, back to long video. Because they are trying to push out uh the short videos. Reason why they are trying to push out the short videos They want as many people as possible to be watching their shorts instead of you sticking on TikTok and Instagram. They want you to be on their platform. Now, if you remember, there was a time that if you scroll small like this, you will see Temu app. If you are in your toilet and you're scrolling like this, you will see Temu app, Temu adverts. Temu advert is just popping up. Now, at that point, they want to register Temu to every users that Temu is actually paying. So the point why they are doing their marketing, they will invest a lot of money on it at that point. And when they get the popularity, they reduce the way they was it called invest money on. Now, why am I explaining about Temu to you? Is that for now, YouTube is investing a lot of money on shorts because they want people to be on their platform. And if you take advantage of it, you become relevant now, like Mr. Beast when it started 2015. So you will take advantage of that, like audience. You have audience. That's the first thing. Then you'll be able to keep on making money continuously. But the moment they stop promoting shorts, it will become harder as it is posting long video. So because they are trying to promote shorts, they reduce the way they are pushing long videos out, which most people don't know. People that have been creating short and long video for a very long time are still making the views because of their audience. This introduction to Faceless YouTube channel. Like I said, before it was about how to, how to, and it evolved to music video. People posting their music video. Then it went to documentaries. Then now we are in the era of Faceless channel. Faceless channel is all about you're not showing your face, you're not using your voice, you're not using anything that relates to your body online. You're not using your real name, you're not using anything, and you are still making legit money. That's what is called faceless channel. And in another term, they call it YouTube automation because you are not the one that you are producing some of these things. From AI producing the audio, no, from producing the scripts to producing the audio, the video, the posting. Even you can schedule the posting, but which I don't advise, and I will give my reasons to posting, to thumbnail, everything like that is all AI generated. So now that's one thing about faceless channel. And facts, like real facts, some faceless channel are making more money than a medical doctor in Nigeria. If you don't have that fact, put this one, like put it behind your armpit like this and hold it like when you hold your daughter like this. I've made three over $10,000 from this channel, which I still have another channel like this one I'm showing you, another channel that this one just pick up. I have another channel that I'm doing the same thing, the same sports on. So now about the what's it called? About the juicy part about YouTube is just that you can do the same thing on multiple channels, which people do not understand also. You can do the same thing on multiple channels, but you must know how to edit properly so that one will not affect each other and they will not block your account.